How to download Roblox on MacBook. So the very first thing that you want to do is to open up Safari in your Mac or any web browser that you can use. Now just simply head straight to Roblox.com's official site and log in to your account. Now for you to be able to have that download link, all I have to do first is simply choose any experience directly from the Roblox website. So if you directly hit on this play button right here, you should be able to get the Roblox client from your MacBook. You just have to wait for a couple of minutes for it to completely install on your Mac, and then you're good to go. And once you have downloaded the Roblox client directly from this website, you can now then close this page and will use that Roblox client you downloaded permanently. That is how you download and install Roblox on MacBook.